Hi learners! Today we will work on an application problem covering the topics on properties of parallelograms, angles formed by parallel lines and a transversal in triangles. Oftentimes, a single word problem in math is an application of several concepts. In such a case, the need to relate and connect one concept to the other to address the problem is a must. So that you will be able to successfully answer geometry problems similar to this in the future, the video will showcase how such problem is analyzed and solved. If your lesson is on properties of parallelograms, or if you have an assignment on this topic, or if you are preparing for a test in math, or a test in geometry in particular, or you are someone who is interested in learning math, then this video is for you. Here is the situation. In parallelogram Hij, HK is extended to point L and LJ is drawn. If JL is congruent to JK and the measure of angle I is 140 degrees, what is the measure of angle KJL? A figure is given. Here are the options. Option A, 40 degrees. Option B, 80 degrees. Option C, 100 degrees. Option D, 140 degrees. As usual, we begin by reading the whole problem and may read it several times when needed to know what we're looking for, to determine what are given, and to figure out how the given information help find what we are looking for. What are we looking for, learners? You are correct. We are to find the measure of angle KJL. Where is this in the figure? Okay, so it is here. What are given? We're given the figure of parallelogram Hij with KL as an extension of HK, and that JL is congruent to JK, and the measure of angle I is 140 degrees. Okay, so let us analyze the figure and modify it to a needed. The problem says that the figure is a parallelogram. We show this by putting the small arrows on the figure. Let's go. Look at the figure carefully. Because Hij is a parallelogram, angle I and angle J are supplementary angles. Do you see this, learners? Thus, the measure of angle I plus the measure of angle J equals 180 degrees. We can now determine the measure of angle J. What number, when added to 140, is 180 degrees? Correct, 40. So the measure of angle J is 40 degrees. Look at parallelogram Hij again. Side IJ is parallel to side KH, right? Now, what is JK to the two parallel sides? You are correct. JK, the other side of the parallelogram, is a transversal of side IJ and side KH. Can you follow, learners? That being said, the alternate interior angles formed by parallel sides IJ and KH with transversal JK are congruent. Since angle J is 40 degrees, then angle JKL is also 40 degrees. Do you agree? Now, it is also given in the problem that JL is congruent to JK. We will show these on our drawing by marking these segments. Now, we will look at triangle KJL this time. Take note, two of its sides are equal in length. Can you tell what type of triangle do we have here, learners? You are correct. We have an isosceles triangle. Since two of the sides of an isosceles triangle are equal in length, the two angles opposite two equal sides are also equal in measure. We will mark these angles on our drawing. In the triangle, angle JKL is 40 degrees. So, what is the measure of angle JLK or angle L? You are correct. It is also 40 degrees. Look at triangle KJL again. Two of its angles are already known. Can we now solve for the third angle? Angle KJL, the angle whose measure we want to find? What theorem would help us determine the measure of angle KJL, learners? You're correct, triangle sum theorem. The theorem states that the sum of the three interior angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. What number, when added to 40 and 40, gives 180? Right, 100. Bingo, we have an answer. The measure of angle KJL is 100 degrees. So, what is our answer, learners? Is it option A, option B, option C, or option D? Right, option C is the answer. There you are, learners. I hope you acquired lots of learnings in today's video. Let us summarize what we have learned today. We have learned that, first, a parallelogram is a quadrilateral with opposite sides parallel and congruent. Second, when parallel lines are cut by a transversal, alternate interior angles are congruent. Third, consecutive angles in a parallelogram are supplementary. Fourth, isosceles triangles have two congruent angles and two congruent sides. Fifth, triangle sum theorem states that the sum of the three interior angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Sixth, when solving a problem, you must read it and may read it several times when needed to know what you are looking for, to determine what are given, and to figure out how the given information help find what you are looking for. 7. When a figure is given, make use of it and modify when needed. It is there to help you analyze and solve the problem. There you are, learners. Hope this video helps. That's it for now. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your peers so others will learn too. Bye.